good evening folks. It is 20 past 9 on the 18th of April 2010. I'm just going to do my weekly outlook for the pound dollar. Bit of a bearish close to the week here. As you can see, we've sort of removed the 1.5371 level, which is the sort of final first bullish thrusts low. Looks like we're going to remove that level to the close. We're right down at the low to the close of the day. So it might be a tough one to trade this, depending on where we open. We could see a gap higher or lower, and in which case could make it a wee bit hard to trade straight away. But it's a bit of a bearish trigger anyway. As you know, this pair has already completed a high enough level for me now. That the sell setup is now complete. So I mean, at the moment we're looking for a close below the 1.5128 level, or a bounce from the 1.5707 level. So I mean, so far we've not made it up to that 707 or 722 sort of area yet, and we look like we started to retreat there. We are currently on the 8th bar of buy setup there on the monthlies, but obviously still a couple of more weeks left on the month, and then obviously until we complete that bar the following month. So basically bearish here on the weekly, and just going to be waiting for these levels. I mean, we could try and get in early. As I say, it's a bit of a bearish trigger here, but there still remains the sort of risk that we could move up towards that 700 level on the weekly chart here, which would be a perfect bounce to set us up for this weekly trade to move lower, firstly to the 1.38 and then down to that first target, which is down at the 1.3399, and then eventually down towards parity. So there's loads of time to get involved here, and as we know, the election's a couple of weeks away, so we could just see some people removing any long positions on the pound that they have, and kind of waiting to see any outcome there. So it's basically not really giving me many signals to trade right now, which is fine, because I'd rather wait till after the election. But I mean, if we're looking for any minor levels, possibly topping already, which is okay, we quite easily qualify on a top already, then that 1.5371 level tonight would be a good area to trade anywhere, basically, as long as we stay below Friday's high, which is 1.5480. So anytime tomorrow that we're up above the 371 and we're still below the 480 level, I would imagine the bulls would be fairly pressured around that level, because we have removed that level to the close. But we'll have to kind of wait to see on the open. But in a similar way to the Euro US dollar, right now, for me anyway, they're not really in any kind of ideal trading sort of area, so I'd rather wait for some real good sort of confirmation signals. Okay, cheers.